Hello everyone, my name is Marina Mikhailovna and I'm your English teacher. Look at the picture and tell me, what Kazakh national sports do you see? Посмотри внимательно на картинку и назови, какие виды казахского национального спорта ты видишь. What bird is flying in the sky? Что за птица парит в небе? You are right, it is an eagle. And today we'll find out a lot of information about the steppe eagle. Верно, это орел. И мы с тобой сегодня узнаем много нового о степном орле. Или же, как его называют по-другому, о соколе. Watch the video to get the main idea of the lesson. Посмотрим видео.
The flight of the steppe eagle. It is one of the most breathtaking sights you can ever see. This eagle makes its home in the Kazakh steppe. It is soaring up in the bright blue sky. Suddenly, it dives down. It reaches a speed of up to 120 miles an hour and returns to the falconer's hand. In its sharp claws, it carries a rabbit. Here on the Kazakh steppe, falconry is a way of life. It is a sport and a way of hunting that goes back over 10,000 years ago in Central Asian tradition. Falconry is so old, it even came before the invention of writing. Genghis Khan, the 12th century conqueror of Central Asia and China, had lots of birds of prey. He had skilled falconers to take care of these magnificent birds. There are still hundreds of traditional Kazakh eagle hunters today. It is also very popular as a pastime with young Kazakhs who want to take up something traditional. There are lots of schools of falconry in Kazakhstan. There are sanctuaries with breeding programs for endangered birds of prey, such as the Seika falcon. Peregrine falcons and northern goshawks are also common birds for falconry, but the steppe eagle is the most popular. This impressive bird has a 6-foot wingspan and a proud gaze. It's no surprise that this noble creature is a symbol of Kazakh national identity.
Before working with the text, listen and repeat to the words. Прежде чем поработаем с текстом, разберемся с новыми словами. Listen and repeat.
Birds of prey. Birds of prey. Breathtaking. Breathtaking. Breeding program. Breeding program. Bright. Bright. Conqueror. Conqueror. Dive. Dive. Falconer. Falconer. Falconry. Falconry. Flight. Flight. Gaze. Gaze. Identity. Identity. Invention. Invention. National. National. Proud. Proud. Return. Return. Sanctuary. Sanctuary. Soar. Soar. Symbol. Symbol. Take up. Take up. Wingspan. Wing.
Let's remember our life hacks of reading. Давай вспомним наши лайфхаки в чтении. How to read and understand. Как прочитать так, чтобы понять. You need to answer 3 questions when you look through the text and when you read it. Пока читаешь, нужно для себя ответить на 3 вопроса. Who or what, о ком или о чем речь, when, когда, and where, где. Let's listen to the text and try to answer these questions. Послушай сейчас внимательно текст и прочитай, постарайся ответить на эти 3 вопроса.
The flight of the steppe eagle. It is one of the most breathtaking sights you can ever see. An eagle is soaring up in the bright blue sky. Suddenly, it dives at up to 120 miles an hour. before returning to the falconer's hand. In its sharp claws, it carries a rabbit. This is the Kazakh steppe, and this is the sport of falconry. Falconry is said to be over 10,000 years old and even came before the invention of writing. Genghis Khan, the 12th century conqueror of Central Asia and China, had lots of birds of prey as well as falconers to take care of them. In Kazakhstan, falconry is very popular, especially with young Kazakhs who want to take up something traditional. There are schools of falconry and sanctuaries with breeding programs for endangered birds of prey, such as the Seika falcon. Kazakhs, though, prefer the steppe eagle with its 6-foot wingspan and proud gaze. It's no surprise that this noble creature is a symbol of Kazakh national identity.
Have a look at the task. Read the article, and for questions from 1 to 4, choose the correct answer A, B or C. Просмотри еще раз текст, если необходимо, и постарайся ответить на эти вопросы. Только после этого переходи к следующей части видео, где мы с тобой разберемся, правильно ли ты ответил на вопросы или нет. Read the article again, and for questions from 1 to 4, choose the correct answer, A, B or C. So what is the author's purpose of writing the text? Прочитай еще раз внимательно текст, вспомни наши с тобой лайфхаки и давай попробуем ответить на вопросы. Только будь честен, ставь на паузу, прежде чем я выберу ответ. What is the writer doing in the first paragraph? Suggesting a tourist attraction, introducing a traditional sport, describing the Kazakh steppe. And the answer is B. The writer suggests that Genghis Khan wrote a book about falconry, was the first falconer, enjoyed falconry. And the right answer is C. Young Kazakhs are taking up falconry to help save endangered species, to teach others about the sport, to carry on a tradition. And the right answer is C. What does the writer say about the steppe eagle? It is a sign of a country. It is the largest bird of prey. It can see for a long distance. And the right answer is A. I'll be back soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Скоро увидимся. Не забудь подписаться и лайкнуть видео.